Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to come back on here and film another girl talk video. A lot of you guys have been enjoying my feminine energy series and I'm having a lot of fun filming them. So I'm super excited to talk about this topic today. We are going to be talking about how to attract an empowered masculine man into your life. Maybe you're at a place right now where you are just dating and you are dating guys that you don't necessarily feel drawn to, you don't feel like they match you or meet you where you're at, or you are at a place where those guys that you're not interested in are reaching out to you or trying to talk to you, but the men that you're actually interested in are unavailable to you in some way. Maybe it's emotionally or they just don't notice you, whatever it may be. We're going to be talking about how to attract empowered masculine energy into your life so that your dating experience can feel way better for you. Maybe you're in a relationship or in the early talking stages with someone. These tips will also help you inspire his masculine energy to come towards you. So this works if you are dating and looking to attract an empowered masculine man, or if you're currently seeing somebody or in a relationship. So we are going to go ahead and just get started. If you are new to this channel, my name is Angela. I am a creator here on YouTube. I'm also a singer and a storyteller and someone who's really passionate about psychology and relationships. The number one sign that you are energetically or physically chasing a man is if you feel any type of resentment or anger or frustration towards this guy. You only feel those emotions in direct relation to the effort you're putting into the relationships. So for example, if you are doing something to get a result and that doesn't go the way you expected it to go, then that's when those feelings of frustration or anger rise up. And as we know, doing to get a result is masculine energy. So you are using your masculine energy. This video is going to kind of help you shift your mindset and get yourself into a place where you are in your body, in your feminine energy, so that that man can come to you, so that you can be attractive to this man or men, whatever you are whatever it is you're interested in. It's important to remember that in dating, men respond to two things. They respond to warmth and distance. These two things need to be present in order for him to feel any type of pull or attraction towards you. Again, both need to be present. If you have distance without the warmth, then it just feels very cold to the man. You probably will feel really cold to him, or like you're playing a game, or like you're playing hard to get. Remember, games don't work because you're doing something to get a result, and an empowered masculine man can feel that, and that will repel him. I am somebody who believes everything happens energetically before it happens and shows up physically. So if you are coming from a place of playing a game, playing hard to get, it's just not going to feel right to the man, and he can sense this. It's not going to feel good if there's distance without the warmth. And if there's warmth without distance, then it's going to feel a little bit smothering. It's going to feel like a lot. So you want to have both things present, because in order for him to feel that pull to you, that instinctual pull to pursue you, there needs to be space for him to do that. And what you're really trying to do here is you just want to be coming from a place where you are seeing, is this a man who is capable? Is he capable of stepping into that masculine role and pursuing you? Can he step into that masculine role and pursue you? Remember, masculine energy pursues the feminine energy. Think of the egg and the sperm, and I know everyone uses this example, but I think God couldn't have made it any easier for us to understand. And even physically, our bodies as women, we are designed to receive a man's energy. So couldn't have been laid out any easier for us to get. So remember, you can inspire a man to pursue you and to come towards you by being in your feminine energy. If he is a masculine male, if you are in your feminine energy, he will feel that pull to come towards you. If this is the right man for you, he will feel drawn to you. Once you give him that space and provide warmth in the dynamic, he will feel that pull to come towards you. So you might be wondering, well, how do I get into my feminine energy? I do have a video up on my channel talking all about how to step into your empowered feminine energy. It's going to be linked on the screen, but I will talk about some few key things here that I feel like are really important to remember. You want to be in a place where you are taking your energy off of him and putting it on you, because again, everything happens energetically before it shows up physically. You can be chasing him mentally but not physically. You can be at a space where you are talking about him all the time, you are asking all your friends for advice. I know this can be a thing. I've definitely been there myself. I can relate to this in my past, where my friends and I would just sit around talking about a guy who is not showing up, who is not pursuing. You're up in your head thinking about this man. That is a lot of masculine energy you're using, and it really does repel him. So you want to instead use all of that energy and put that on yourself, put that on your life. Focus on self-care, things that are pleasurable, and better yet, use that masculine energy to do something else. Maybe you've always wanted to start a podcast, or maybe there was a new yoga class or art class that you wanted to attend, or you always wanted to try out that kickboxing class. I have a friend who boxes. You want to be in your goddess energy and trust you are worth it. The right man for you will step into that masculine role and will pursue you. Now, in order to attract an empowered masculine man, you want to make sure you are also in your empowered masculine and feminine energies. And again, I do have videos up on my channel on how to step into your empowered masculine and feminine energy. But the best way that you can step into these empowered energies is by honoring your commitments that you've made to yourself, focusing on self-pleasure and being kind to yourself, because you are going to attract a reflection of your own masculine energy. And in order for you to attract an empowered masculine man, you have to be an empowered feminine woman. The empowered masculine man is only attracted to empowered feminine women. He is not attracted to the wounded feminine or the false feminine, whatever you call it. He is attracted to the empowered feminine woman. I think that guys can sniff this out. He can sense this in your energy. He can feel this in your energy. And when you do these things, he's also not going to know why he is so drawn to you. He just will be. He'll just feel that natural pull to pursue you. Once you're in your empowered feminine energy, he's going to love it. He's going to love it. So just remember, in order to attract anything into your life, I know everyone says this, but it's so true. You have to focus on gratitude. You have to surrender to the moment and just be present. This can start by doing really small things, like for example, be grateful for the fact that you have a bed. If you have one, be grateful for having a bed or a house to live in or a computer or a phone or tablet to watch this video. Inner work is a privilege. It is a privilege to be able to do inner work. So even just be grateful for this moment right now, the fact that you get to work on yourself and you get to become the best version of yourself. We are so lucky to be able to do that. So that is pretty much all. I hope that this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Last thing that I wanted to say was that make sure to watch my video on empowered masculine energy. A lot of people have not experienced that and don't know what it feels like to have empowered masculine energy coming towards them. So it's hard to recognize it when it comes about if you haven't experienced it before. If you don't know what it is. I know for me, I talk a lot from studying in psychology, and if you're in a place where you don't have that mental framework of what it looks like to be in a specific situation, you will be unable to recognize it. So make sure you go check that out. All of these links will be in the description down below. And also make sure to give this video a like. It's really good for the channel and it lets other women know that this is a good video to watch. Before we go, I do want to give a quick notification squad shout out, and it goes to these people on the screen. Thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing and commenting. I'm so grateful for all the love and support. If you want to be featured in my next video, all you need to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a video, and be the first to comment and you get a shout out. So yeah, that is pretty much all. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.